Midjourney AI, a promising tool for medical education and illustration. Midjourney AI, a cutting-edge artificial intelligence system, has the potential to revolutionize the field of medical education and illustration. While currently in its early stages, with much of the focus on its artistic capabilities, Midjourney AI's ability to generate highly detailed and visually striking images holds great promise for the future of medical teaching. One of the key advantages of using Midjourney AI for medical illustration is its capacity to create intricate, anatomically accurate depictions of the human body and its various systems. By leveraging advanced machine learning algorithms and vast databases of medical imagery, Midjourney AI can generate illustrations that rival the work of skilled medical artists. However, it is crucial to recognize that AI-generated medical illustrations must be carefully monitored and reviewed by human experts to ensure their accuracy and adherence to the latest medical advancements. As with any new technology, there is a potential for errors or inaccuracies, which could have serious implications in the context of medical education. Despite these challenges, the potential benefits of Midjourney AI in medical education are significant. As the technology continues to evolve and improve, it could become an indispensable tool for creating engaging, informative, and precise medical illustrations. Imagine being able to generate detailed, interactive 3D models of the human heart, complete with labels and annotations, at the click of a button. Or picture a medical textbook filled with stunning, AI-generated illustrations that bring complex anatomical concepts to life. Throughout this post, we've explored several examples of how Midjourney AI can be used to create medical illustrations, including detailed depictions of the human heart, skeletal structures like the hip and femur, and even a microscopic view of sperm and egg during fertilization. These examples showcase the incredible potential of this technology to enhance medical education and make complex subjects more accessible and engaging for students. As Midjourney AI continues to advance, it is likely to become an increasingly valuable tool for medical educators and illustrators alike. By combining the power of artificial intelligence with the expertise of human medical professionals, we can create a new generation of medical illustrations that are both visually stunning and scientifically accurate. If you're excited about the potential of Midjourney AI in medical education and want to stay up to date with the latest developments, be sure to subscribe to our channel. By subscribing, you'll have access to a wealth of content exploring the intersection of artificial intelligence and medicine, including future posts showcasing the latest advancements in AI-generated medical illustrations. Don't miss out on this exciting frontier in medical education. Subscribe today and join us on this journey into the future of medical illustration.